Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Beach Buggy Racing game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your control type. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Beach Buggy Racing game, and while you complete the first tutorial level, you will be asked to choose your control type. If you have already chosen a specific type of control, then in order to change this later, you will only need to complete the basic tutorial level. After completing this, you will gain access to the main menu. From here, tap on Settings at the bottom left and then tap on Controls. You can now choose from various different types of controls. You can choose from the Touch A option or the Touch B option, and you also have the Tilt option, which will use your gyroscopic sensor in order to steer the vehicle. After choosing your desired option, you can simply go back and your changes will be saved. And now, you can start enjoying the Beach Buggy Racing game with your chosen control type. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the control settings on the Beach Buggy Racing game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.